In this video, I'll show you how to change the size of your video in CapCut. First, import your video and drag it onto the timeline. Now click on the video in the preview window. You'll see white corner handles appear. You can click and drag those corners to make the video smaller or larger directly on screen. You can also adjust the scale using the settings panel. Just look for the scale option and drag the slider. If you want the video to change size over time, use keyframes. Move to the point where you want the effect to begin. Click the diamond icon next to scale to set the first keyframe. Then move forward in the timeline, change the scale, and CapCut will automatically add a second keyframe. Now when you play it back, you'll see the video smoothly scale up or down. And that's how to change the size of a video in CapCut. Thanks for watching.